Welcome to Mishna Salem, Masechet Yoma Perek Chet Mishnah. Hey, over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss a person's health when it comes to fasting on Yom Kippur. We're going to start off with a pregnant woman who smelled food. So, ubrashe riha, right? A pregnant woman who smelled food, and we're worried, right? We're worried that if she doesn't eat, it will become a sakana for her, right? She'll become, endangered because she's, craving it. So we feed her. We feed her until she recovers, right? Next case is a choleh, a regular person who's sick. Right? Let's get to the Mishnah. We'll tell you how Rambam explains halacha. He bottom lines it at the end for us at the end. So firstly, we feed him based on ki'im, experts, right? Expert doctors. That's who we're asking, right? In this situation, interesting, right? We're going to ask, doctors what's needed over here, right? They are the ones who are going to lead us when it comes to health issues. If there are no health experts over there, then we feed him based on his own word until he says that's enough, right? So Rambam now jumps into it and says, when it comes to a person's health on Yom Kippur, right? So there's a few laws that we need to explain. And firstly, if the person who's sick asks to eat himself, right? Even if all the doctors are telling him that he doesn't need to eat, right? All the doctors are saying that he doesn't need to eat, we still feed him until he is satiated, right? Health comes first. And the opposite. Let's say a professional doctor, right, a leading doctor comes and says that he needs to eat, and he says, "No, I don't have to eat." Right. So here, the person who's sick is saying, "I don't have to eat," but the doctor is saying he has to eat. Then in this case, also ma'achilinoto, we feed him, right, and we don't listen to the sick person himself. Now, if there's a case that the doctors are split, some of them are saying he needs to eat, some of them say he doesn't need to eat, then what do we do? So Rambam over here, interestingly, says enough. We listen to the professionals amongst them, right? We listen to the leading doctors. If they're biki'im, that's who we listen to, or we listen to the majority of them. Now, let's say they're equal, right? They're equal in number. They're split, and you don't see anyone who's more qualified than the other. Then what do? We feed him, right? And why? If we have any type of safek, any type of question, any doubt when it comes to life and death, we are always mekel. We always, feed him, right? And take care of that because that always comes first, even over fasting on Yom Kippur.